Hello friends, today let's discuss the university hiring in India. This is me Yogesh, your talent acquisition coach at Recruiton. As a recruiter, it is always expected from you that you should know the why and how of campus recruitment, and this is from the organizational perspective. You should know that why a company would even plan to go to campus, or how company will go to the campus and recruit the right talent. Let me take the why first. So there are two typical strategies that company follow. So one is the strategic hiring in campus, second is the random hiring. In a strategic campus hiring space, companies typically have two primary objectives. The first is to build future leadership, and the second is to fill low-cost, billable frontline roles. So it could be both in IT and non-IT. Now, why a company want to build the leadership funnel via campus? If you look at any top-tier company, which is typically works in a long range with a vision of 20, 25 year, 30 year, or even if you look at government or a group like Tata, you will see majority of their leaders were hired through campus or entry-level examinations. To achieve this objective, companies visit few of the best institutions across India. So these both in management and technical space. So in management, it could be the top IIMs, ISB, or in technical, it could be the IITs, top IITs. And for the mid-size organization, they also prefer to go to tier 2 institutes like NITs. They also go to colleges like NMIMS, SP Jain, MDI Gurgaon, FMS Delhi and Symbiosis Pune. So there are so many other institutes also which may fall into this category. Even the smaller companies, they prefer this route, going to various IITs, NITs. So these smaller companies could be well funded startups, or maybe subsidiary of a larger company, and they prefer going to these institutions to create a top line of leadership for themselves. Even venture capitalists are now exploring campus for new entrepreneurs, spot right talent right in the beginning, and also hire them as at various level within the organization where they have invested in. And the second objective in strategic hiring space is to fill low-cost frontline roles. It could be both in IT and non-IT. So this typical hiring is in bulk, depending on a demand which is being forecasted by business for a year or 2 years ahead of time. Strategic hiring in campus has its own advantages and disadvantages. As now we know the advantage, like we can create a pipeline, create a good bench, create a funnel for our leadership, while the disadvantages are that they are not available to join you immediately. As we live in a current world where we are currently going through with COVID-19 situation, we never know what is going to happen after 3 months, 4 months, and this restrict almost 70% of the employers and majority of the employers to go for strategic hiring in campus. So this brings us to another approach, that is random hiring in campus. 70% of the employers in India prefer taking this route when they plan for campus. This could be because of the immediate numbers or the demand they may have received from the business, specifically for the large organization, and they couldn't take that demand into the account when they were planning for strategic campus hiring. But majority of mid-size and smaller companies prefer going to the campus, typically when they are available to join immediately. This approach helps organization on two fronts. One is to lower down the cost of the complete manpower of the organization, and the second is to inject fresh blood along with the experienced teams to keep the entire organization agile and young. Now we know the why of campus. It's time to discuss the how. How are we gonna do it? In my next video, I'm gonna discuss with you like how we can target and engage with the top institutes across India. So be it management, technical, or any other specialized universities, be it ISC, Delhi University, or any university or any course that you look forward to target. Idea is to ensure that we know the why and how we're gonna derive our strategy out of it. Whether we are planning a random hiring, we are doing, so what are the tools that we have in the kitty? So can we do off-campus hiring, or should we go to the campus and do the hiring? Should we go choose online route to do the hiring? How typically campuses respond to your queries? What are the campuses and why would they respond? What are the key objectives they have in mind when they are trying to engage with you? Can you engage with them around the year? And what are the other ways apart from the hiring these campuses can help you with the talent requirement that you may have? So there are so many tools, there are so many things that we can talk about campus recruitment, and in many ways they can solve your problems for immediate hiring and for future leadership. So I look forward to meet you in my next video. We also do hands-on workshop where we know that we may not be able to deliver only through the videos, and these workshops are purely based on group exercise, case studies with respect to various recruitment strategies, and also a workshop on social recruiting, Boolean search. So there are a lot of things that we do. So I would recommend you to stay in touch with us on our social media pages. You can find us with our name, which is @recruiton. My name is Yogesh Kumar Sharma, and you can also find me on LinkedIn, Facebook, and all other social media. So till then, stay in touch, keep recruiting, keep learning. All the best.